Hello, welcome to the Marc Show. In this video, I'm going to talk about as many options as I can fit in this video of how hackers break into iPhones. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. Option number one, right? How hackers unlock iPhones without passcodes with an iPhone unlocker, right? That's the first option. So this method is put here in the first place, being that, it has many advantages that the other options that I will discuss don't have. The most obvious one is it's simple processing steps. No special skills are required. You can get into a locked iPhone without a hitch with only 5 simple steps. Whether using a 4-digit code, 6-digit code, Touch ID, or Face ID, you can use the iPhone unlock software, Ease Us Mobile Unlock, to unlock the iPhone without a passcode. So in addition to getting it into a locked iPhone, this iPhone unlocker is also, if hackers have to fix a disabled phone, iPad or iPod Touch, the factory reset an iPad without passcode, right? They want to factory reset an iPad without passcode. They want to bypass the iPhone passcode, or they want to unlock iPad without Apple ID. They can also erase/wipe an iPhone without a password. And they can also fix, the iPhone that is stuck on a loading circle, right? So to unlock an iPhone without the passcode, you're going to want to follow these steps that I am going to talk about very shortly. So step 1, have your iPhone connected to the computer and run Ease Us Mobile Unlocked, right? You're going to want to select unlock screen passcode to proceed. Step 2, after your device is detected, click start to continue, right? That's what the hackers, I'm giving you what they do. I'm giving you that knowledge, right? So then you're going to click start to continue. Step 3, verify your device model and download the suitable firmware for your iPhone. If the firmware package has been downloaded, just select it by clicking on the select button at the bottom of the screen. So do these steps so you can see how hackers would do it too, right? Do these steps that I'm talking about. So step 4, after firmware download, click unlock, enter the needed information in the box, and click unlock again to regain access to your locked iPhone without hassle. Step 5, wait for the unlock process to complete. Then you can set up your iPhone, iPad, iPod. Option 2, before I proceed, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Let's proceed. So option 2, how hackers get into locked phone with, using recovery mode. So there is an official solution for hackers, when you forget the passcode on your iPhone and they get it, right? So to put your iPhone into recovery mode and restore your device, whether you want to break into a locked iPhone, in the case of a hacker, or ethically, right? If you want to test it out, fix a disabled iPhone. So, you can follow Apple's guide or the steps below that I'm going to talk about to, erase all data and settings on your device, including the locked screen passcode. And afterward, you can set up the iPhone again and use it as usual. So to get into a locked iPhone without the password, let's talk about it. Follow these steps precisely. Step 1, install the latest version of iTunes on your Mac or PC. Step 2, connect your iPhone with the computer with a USB cable. If iTunes opens, close it. Step 3, press the home button on your iPhone until the iTunes icon appears on the screen. And the steps vary on the iPhone model, but let's assume it's the latest one, okay? The iPhone models with Face ID, right? We're not talking about those 2003 ones, okay? Press and quickly release the volume up button and press and quickly release the volume down button. Press the top button until your device goes into recovery mode. So the iPhone with the home button, press and hold both the home and the top or side buttons at the same time. Keep holding them until you see the recovery mode screen. Only this way can you enter the recovery mode and reset your iPhone without a password. Step 4, in this process, we're still in option 2. Then open your iTunes on the computer. It will recognize your device and ask you to restore your device. Step 5, after that, you can set up your iPhone. Okay, so How do you guys think? What do you think of these options so far? Please let me know in the comment section below. Do you know an easier process? Let's get the conversation started. So option 3, this is unlocking an iPhone without password via Find My Phone, right? So Apple's Find My Phone feature allows users to remotely, or hackers, right, to remotely wipe out everything, including passcode from the iPhone. This could be the easiest solution to get into a locked iPhone. But to use this method, you have to make sure, right, you have signed into the locked iPhone with an Apple ID and you still remember it, right? Next, you have enabled the Find My iPhone feature on the device. Next, there is an internet connection on the iPhone, okay? So if you do, you're gonna wanna follow these steps that I'm gonna talk about right now. Step 1, go to iCloud.com on your computer, iCloud.com on your computer. Step 2, log into iCloud's website using the Apple ID and password you use on the locked iPhone. Step 3, choose Find My and click the All Devices option to view all the devices linked to your Apple ID. Step 4, select the locked iOS device. Step 5, then you will be, display various options including play sound, locked, and erase phone. Step 6, click on erase iPhone, okay? The button to erase the iPhone. So that was that one. Here is the last option that I can squeeze in this video. Unlock a locked iPhone with Siri. So Siri allows you to access your locked iPhone without needing an Apple ID and even without using a computer. On top of that, it will erase your existing iPhone data, but it still has some limits. One is that it only works on iOS 8.0 to iOS 13 devices, right? So they say. Maybe they're trying to bamboozle us, right? So another is that it doesn't always succeed. This, the process of this option is complex. And now, let's follow the instructions here, right? So here's how to unlock an iPhone without a passcode using Siri. Hackers wise, right? Step 1, long press your home button to activate Siri on your locked iPhone. Step 2, ask for the what's the time now, then Siri will display the local time. Step 3, once the clock icon appears, click it. Step 4, then you will see a menu of the world clock with some small icons as the following picture shows. Step 5, click on the plus sign in the upper right corner. Step 6, a search box will appear. Type any characters in the search box and select all, right? You're gonna wanna select all these characters. Step 7, next you will be displayed with several options. Tap on share to continue. Step 8, select the message app. Step 9, a new message window will appear. Tap any character in the to field and tap return from your keyboard. Step 10, wait a while and press the home button and then your iPhone will be unlocked, right? So, you can also create a voice command on your iPhone, which allows you to use Siri to unlock your iPhone when you forget your password. That's what I have for you today. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. I appreciate your viewership. Stay safe. See you in the next video.